So now, as you can see, I have finished drawing my windows. These are my windows here. These are the windows. All these ones here, these are the windows. This is the window. This is a window. Window, 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 window. And then these are the doors. Door, 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 door. Now, I said earlier that there are two methods of drawing a door, right? You can decide to draw a door like triangular or in terms of a curve, right? Now, for the first one, you make use of a protractor for, or rather your compass for drawing this first one. Then the second one, you can just make use of a ruler. So when in your exam and you don't have much time, you can decide to draw with this triangle method, or you can decide to draw this other method. I drew this triangle method throughout because there was no time for this video and I don't want to waste most of your time. So the next part, which is the last stage of drawing, is the thickening. You have to thicken your lines, and I can't stress this enough. For you students out there, please make sure you thicken at the last step. So don't thicken before you are done. Always thicken after you have done with your drawing. So after you have drawn finish, you have finished drawing your plan, that's only when you can thicken. So now begin to thicken. So don't thicken through your windows. So now I will stop at this window and continue after the window. So you can see now I didn't thicken the window. So, and this one, so this is another thickening. So let me thicken this side on camera and then thicken the rest off camera. So I will thicken. When I get to the window, I stop, then I continue after the window. So I thicken here, right? Look, I thicken here, then after this window I won't thicken, so I will not thicken after the window. Yes, so I'll thicken here, then I'll jump the window, I'll thicken after the window, but I will not thicken the window. So that's it. So now you can see I've thickened this side. Let me thicken the inner side so you can see the full shape. So I'll do the thickening. So, and because there's a wall here, I'll stop here. I don't want to thicken through the wall. I will pass like this. There's also another wall here, right? So you always refer to your drawing when you are doing this thickening so that you can know where the walls are. So you must not pass through your walls. So now I will not thicken this side because there's a wall here. So I will leave a space there. So when I'm back, I would have been done with the thickening